To enable 120 Hz on POCO F7 Pro, we need to go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down a little bit and choose Display and Brightness. And now over here we want to scroll down to find refresh rate. In this option, in these settings, we have two choices. We have Default and Custom. If you choose Default, then you can have up to 120 Hz of refresh rate. And sometimes due to the limitation of power consumption, to limit the power consumption, the phone can turn it down to 60 Hz. If you choose Custom, however, then you have the option to pretty much force 120 Hz all the time. And we can also go to apps using high refresh rate in order to enable or disable the 120 Hz for selected apps. So for example, if you are watching like TikTok, Netflix or YouTube and you notice that the phone has 60 Hz, then you can turn on for the 120 Hz for these apps as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!